my viewer, today I show you how to share your LinkedIn profile. You can share your profile with any of your first-degree connections and coworkers from the introduction section on your profile. This can help you to grow your network or to increase your chance of finding and securing professional opportunities. Log into your LinkedIn ID. Then go to your profile. Then click here the More button. Then click Share Profile in the message. Then type here their name which you want to share your profile. Then write something. Then send. Or copy your profile link and share external websites or apps. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.